Good morning, YouTube. It is the start of day 2 on the tour of Colorado, and we're in beautiful Ridgway. It's a little bit chilly this morning, not quite as cold as last year. Last year it was 25 degrees and our cars were covered in ice. Well, this year we just have some morning dew. And I actually have to show you something real quick because this proves a theory we have.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
So they gave us this entire parking lot all to ourselves, and for a long time Adam actually had it blocked off with a truck just like you see right there, so that no one park here. And then we had a guy who was washing our cars last night, and when he finished up he left, and of course then we didn't put the truck back in the blocking position because, you know, well, whatever. And well, this proves our theory that no matter what, no matter where you park your car, if you have a nice car, someone will find a way to park super close to the driver's side door. Yeah, you know, there's all this space, but nope, gotta cram next to the Aston. Yep, that's how it works. Well, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and we are in Ridgway, Colorado on the Normal Guy Supercar Devaluation Tour of Colorado, and this is, like I said, day 2. So today we go from Ridgway all the way down to Durango on the $1 Million Highway. Then we head up into Grand Mesa, and finally end up in Telluride. And trust me, you're gonna wanna see this today. We have some beautiful scenery. You're gonna love it, so let's get going. Bio break on the $1 Million Highway. But don't worry, Dan, not filming. Wow. Unbelievable. So pristine in the Taycan, but the fastest.
At least in a straight line.
Yeah. I mean, the torque in here, I'm clenching.
I'm squeezing. I'm like having to flex when we go around corners. We have the video camera on the back going, so we'll get some video of you prepped for the twisties. V12 Vanquish, right? V12 Vanquish. Mm-hmm. This is one of the more luxurious cabins, if not the most on this trip. Temp and oil temp, so I look at that all the time. Oh, and you get the white rev counter. I see. That's pretty cool. You wanted yellow, but yeah, that's exactly right. Whereabouts did you go to racing school? I went to Jim Russell Racing School, which is up in Mount Tremblant. Oh, okay. Which is right where the ski was. Right, right. They flipped a car there, a Can-Am car. Yikes! And what was it? They get him in, they take him in ambulance to the medical tent and all this, and some guy slaps him in the back and says, "You're okay," and that's when he woke up. Did you ever have any bad injuries racing? Watkins landed on, I think it was probably around 160. Yeah. So it hit the wall, came off, hit the wall again. So I ended up toasting, 3 herniated discs, 2 crushed vertebrae in my back, and a broke part of the socket off my head. You know, Dan's got bigger wheel tires in the back. Oh yeah? Yeah. So he's got it really set up for the track. Yeah, and he lowered it a bit, yeah. Well, he got it lowered. Oh, he did? Yeah, the guy before him had it lowered. Because I'd like to know what kind of track times he turns. Tunnel. Lights go on automatically. That's good. temperature's gonna burn our ears. That's a nice turn. Wow, look at that one. That was pretty cool.
Pretty sweet.
So we finally got the transit van. Even after that huge stop. Not quite high enough.
There's that one right underneath us.
Yeah, that's what it does.
I think they're actually on the other side. I think there's another canyon.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at the map and it showed that it kind of split and then went up on two little peninsulas.
Are you gonna? Oh, nice.
All right, in the 430 with Steven. Let's do it. First time, I've driven a few Ferraris now, but the first time I drove one was a 430, but it was in like a parking lot at one of those experiences that you pay for
Right.
in the Patriots parking lot. I only got it up to like 65 before I had to slow down. And it was more like a tease.
That's definitely a tease.
Yeah.
I said, would you have a plate reader on the car? He goes,
Yeah.
no. He goes, I don't like to do radar. He goes, I don't like give speeding tickets.
Jag. Roll down the windows and hear the burbles.
Yep.
Did you say 100?
Now we're breaking.
100 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, exactly. We're in Mexico.
Uh-huh. Oh, Richard just hit it.
Now we back up.
Damn. Can't get too close to these 458s or to any of these cars.
Yeah. 105.
All that British power.
Italian rock chips.
That's right, Italian rock chips. Check this out. Holy crap. I didn't think we'd see this much snow. My goodness. Pop some burbles, snowy mountains.
making popcorn back there?
That is crazy. Stock exhaust, right? Wow.
That's why I got the 1x9 license plate, because it's a red British car that makes gunshot sounds.
A little colder up here. Temperature dropped for like 20, 30 degrees from lunch.
Yeah.
Alright, coming into Telluride. Sounds like we got a fireworks symphony behind us.